In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new routine. First thing, click the Routines app, and once it's done loading, scroll down and click Add a New Routine. Click on New, and the first thing we want to do is give it a name. Just say how to climb a ladder. Why not? And add an image by clicking the camera, and we can select a file directly from the computer. I happen to have an image of a ladder already loaded, so open that. And you can angle this to show as much or as little of the image as you want. I recommend using a smaller, wider image than this so you can have more of it in the frame at one time. Okay, and we can select from a series of categories and subcategories. This is a home chore, and it's a chore. Next. Next we want to add steps, and you can name them whatever you want, but for the sake of time we're just going to keep them as step 1, 2, 3, etc. You can click here to add an image or a video to each of your steps. Pretty simple. And to edit any of these steps, you can just click on it and change whatever you need to. So once you're all done with that, press Finish Routine, and you're gold.